Got back home and the package is here, guys. I know what's inside of this because, as you can see, I kind of took a peek inside it, and I know what's in there, guys. I'm not sure if you can guess, guys, but anyways, as you can see, I taped it back up because I wanted it to be like an unboxing, but anyways, let me reveal the surprise though. There's bubble wrap in there. Dang, okay. Oh my, yes! It's finally here! My Target Puritto's Tuna keyring, guys. Yay! I finally got it! It's here. Let me unbag it right here. Yeah! Alright, guys, it's so cute! Oh. And guys, its name is Tuna, and it's a Puritto. And guys, it's a little bit on the expensive side for a keychain, and it's at Target once again. It's $14.99, so $15, guys, for this little cuteness. And it even says on the tag right here, if you can look very closely, it says Puritto's Tuna keyring. So I guess his name is Tuna, guys. See, look, his little blue cat with his little paws sticking out. His eyes are closed, and he's so happy. He's having the best dream of his life, and he's wrapped around in this little blanket, and his tail is sewed to the blanket. So even if you attempt to take it off, it won't come off. And poor little rascal's got the keyring stuck to his head, guys, and I love him. My favorite color is blue, and once I heard about these Purittos, I knew I had to get them. So anyways, look at that. He's so cute. He's got the blue face with the sort teal type blanket and just a really dark shade of baby blue on the tail, and look at this swirly design. And anyways, guys, his name is Tuna, and he's a Puritto, and once again, he's at Target, guys, and when I ordered these, there were only 3 left in stock, and of course I bought one, so there's 2, and if there's one, I will update you. If they're out of stock, I will update you at the end of the video, because I'm about to check. But guys, on my scale of 1 through 10, I give this guy a 10, man. And on the quality wise, 1 through 10, I'm gonna give it a 9, a solid 9. But anyways, and on softness and cuteness, I'm gonna give him a 11, man. I broke the scale again, man. Keep on doing it, man. I love this guy. So guys, I'm about to check if he's still available. But anyways, guys, I'm just trying. But anyways, guys, this is my Tuna Puritto keyring, and he's $14.99, aka $15. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll update you in the end of the video because I'm about to check on the Target website if he's still available. Alright, guys. Anyways, I love you, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'll also update you on how much are in stock if they're not out of stock, guys. And anyways, like I said, when I ordered one, there was 3 left in stock, guys. So anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace. I just checked and they're sold out, but guys, anyways, I forgot to mention the Purittos are created by #Collectibles, guys. And #Collectibles is a really cool company, and yeah, they make burritos. But anyways, they're sold out. I just checked. But anyways, I'll let you know on the little shorts video when these guys are back in stock. And anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. For real. Peace. Meow.